right, so Dreamy was nice enough to send this to Wyatt and Sawyer. This is the Dreame X40 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop with auto empty and mop self-cleaning. So the boys are gonna unbox it today and we're gonna see what it's all about.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Here we go.
Whoa, what is the base? Oh, look.
Yeah. Those are the water tanks.
Ryan, be a Superman.
He is Superman.
Oh.
There it is. There's the robot.
Let's see what it looks like. See.
There it is. So fancy.
Whoa. Where's the button? Where's the button?
Buttons are right on top.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness! Here's the dustbin.
All right.
I get to see the bottom.
Yeah, flip it over. Let's see what it looks like.
Whoa! Wow! Really? Let's try to turn it on.
Come already charged?
I think so.
All right, so here is the self-empty base station, and it is very cool.
And here's this.
Yep. It has a very sleek design, and it's very tall, isn't it, Wyatt?
Yeah. And here's the rubber.
There it is. All right, so Wyatt's getting it all set up for us.
And wait. Let's open these up.
Yeah, so these, oh, yeah.
I didn't know where the bag gone. Uh-huh.
So we have a couple more boxes with some accessories. What all do you have there?
So we have this, and it goes on the base somewhere. Oh, that goes right here.
Very good. All right, what do you have in that box?
There's lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff.
Oh,
Instruction manual,
there's the mop in a bag.
an extra bag. There's the little mopping pads.
Magnets.
Yeah.
And then here's here's the
The
cord.
cord to plug it in.
Here's a little brush.
Brush to clean it with. That's always nice.
Yeah. That's all here. Now we need to plug it in.
All right, let's find a spot for it. We're running out of outlets, aren't we?
Yeah, I can put it right here.
Okay.
Mama, where's this button?
Plugs right in back there. It's gonna plug it into the wall. We're gonna get it all set up.
Oh, the light is on. The light is on. The light is on.
So Wyatt's gonna put the scrubbing brushes on.
Mop. Mop.
Mop pads installed.
I didn't know it could talk.
It talks to you.
I have something to show you and
Okay.
see it.
Yeah.
So do you notice this?
Yeah, what is that?
It's where the solution goes.
Okay. And it comes with its little own bottle of solution, right?
Uh-huh.
Right here. Okay, and then it already comes with a bag installed. It's a 3.2 liter bag and holds up to 75 days of dirt. All right, can you show us the water tanks?
Oh, yeah.
So really nice sized water tanks for
Whoa.
the clean water and the dirty water. All right, is it all set up?
Uh-huh.
You gonna let it charge for a minute?
Mm-hmm.
All right, send it home.
Return to the dock to charge.
All right, Wyatt's filling up the water tank and get it going. You good?
Yep.
Is it ready to go? Oh, do you want to put the solution in?
Oh, yeah. The whole thing?
Yeah, unless it overflows.
That's all of it. It's halfway.
Okay. So this is not included with the Dreame, but it is available to purchase. Wyatt has a anti-tangle cutting brush here, and he's gonna swap it out. This brush has a little cutting device in it, as you can see, so it cuts the hair before it's sucked up into the vacuum. All right, you ready to switch it out? Okay. All set? So we have let it map the whole house, and we now have the app on our phone. You ready to watch it clean?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's get it started. Go.
Start cleaning. Start cleaning mop pads.
All right, let's see here. See the mopping pads are spinning over there. They're getting them nice and clean before it goes out to clean the house. All right, it's going to clean. I love how quiet this thing is. One of the unique features on this one is that it has side reach technology. As you can see here, it can identify where there's a corner, and then it will extend its side brush out so it can get all of the dirt and debris out of that corner. It also has Mop Extend Robo Swing technology, so it can do the same thing with its mopping pads. It can extend it out so that it can clean around table and chair legs and even underneath furniture. So now let's put it through some tests. First of all, we put down some confetti on the tile floor, and as you can see, it cleaned that up with no problem. You can set it to make either one pass or two. Right here, it's making 2 passes over the confetti. Next, we put some confetti on the carpet, and when the suction power is at the highest setting, this thing has 12,000 pascals of suction power. It's very impressive, and it had no problem picking up this confetti off the carpet. The boys made a mess with some soda, so while it's mopping, it will actually lift the side brush and the main brush so it's not getting them dirty with the wet, sticky soda mess. And then once it's done cleaning, it will lift the mopping pads so that it's not dragging wet, dirty mopping pads all through your house. So this is the part that I'm the most excited about. When you live with kids and pets, things are always getting left behind on the floor. The Dreame uses a camera, a structured light system, lasers, and an LED light to help avoid obstacles on the ground, including pet waste and power cords, as you can see here. Another way that it can avoid cross-contamination is that it will actually lift the mopping pads when it detects carpet. So it will lift them up 10.5 millimeters, and that way it's not going to get your carpet wet when it's vacuuming the carpet.
Mop pads removed.
So I told it to go vacuum first and then mop. So it left its mopping pads behind. And it's gonna go vacuum. And whenever it's done with its little zoned area, then it'll go back and mop. This is just another way that it can protect your carpet from getting wet.
Start auto empty.
This app is so advanced, it lets you control everything from your phone. Here's where it mapped out the entire house. You can see the different rooms. This is where you can adjust the map display. Right here you can edit the map and set up no-go zones or a virtual wall. And it can also manage different floors of your house. You can customize the cleaning in so many ways. This thing is so advanced. Or you can just hit Clean Genius and it will do all the work for you.
This is my favorite part of the Dreame.
So it has a live action camera on it. So Wyatt can see everything that it's doing. Even if we're not in the house, he can still watch what it's cleaning. Pretty cool. Okay, so we've had this for about a week, and what do we think about it, Wyatt?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10. This thing is awesome. It literally does it all for you. Good job, dude.
It's the best room ever.
It's pretty cool.